Our leader, the governor of the state, the party chairman of a great party, the only party that is standing in our dear state, River State, and is working committee, the leader and also the chairman of our Elders Council that have always provided positive advice that has helped to lead us right in the state. And other leaders of the state that are here, the chairman of this LGA, Ikwere, Local Government Council, and the leaders of Ikwere that are here, our beautiful women, youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to maybe prolong my speech a bit because it's important. We're in an LGA that is very significant to our struggle. In 2015, when we came here to ask for your support, this state and this LGA was calling for our help. You were crying, begging us, please come and help us, we are dying. And when we came, we performed. And our performance made you said, in 2019, we are going to support you, and you gave us what we call confidence vote. Now we are here again. We don't have any problem. We know you already, when you called for us, we came and we delivered. In that case, you have confidence in us. Is it not? We are here to tell you that faith that you have in us, we want you to still have that faith in our struggle in 2023. We have not disappointed you. You didn't have school in the community of Mr. C and A. We gave you good school. Is it not? One of our brothers said it. You didn't have road, internal road in Ikwere local government. We gave you internal road. Is it not? Ihumba, you turned it to Azumba. But we finally made the Ihumba to be Ihumba. Have we not tried? I hope you know what I mean. And to crown it, who is a good person? I'm a good in-law. And you are aware of your in-law now. My wife is from Ishoko now. Awachuku. What else? Where our principal has will stop, we will complete and continue from there. So our mission is to tell you, continue to support us for continuity and consolidation. Consolidation of the few roads that are remaining in the Ikwere local government, we will do it. Your health services, we will improve on them and upgrade them. Security, you know those days that when they kidnap in LL, they enter Ubima Forest. Today, we've been able to smoke those criminals out and you have peace. Is it not? Do you want the dark days to come back? No. You need to support us so that that day that they are using to do those things will not come up again. So our mission and our commission in this program is to give River State a better state. And what is good governance? One of your brother here said the other day that people are suffering hardship in River State. When we came on board, salary was not paid for 8 months. Are you not aware? Your people, your parents are civil servants and pensioners did not collect their pension allowance. I'm not talking about gratuity. But today the story is different. Yes. What is good governance? Good governance is providing services, giving people the assurance of hope, security, and that is what we are providing. And that is what we will continue to provide. PDP is the party to beat. And the candidates to beat in this state remains Fubara for governor, Austin Onyeso, Alwell Onyeso for Senate, DS Merengwa for House of Reps, and Onyeche for Assembly. You know what to do. Go back, ensure that your PV is in good condition. Add more to the one you have. When that day comes, you know what to do. I've already told you. I'm not talking about the other one. I've mentioned the names. And those are the people you're going to support. God bless you all.